In this tutorial, we're going to go over how you can redeem codes in Roblox Blue Lock Rivals. For more tutorials like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. That being said, what you're going to want to do is first go to Blue Lock Rivals on Roblox and get loaded into it. This is going to work on both a mobile app as well as the PC app. It doesn't necessarily matter, but once you do get loaded into the game, what you're going to want to do is simply go ahead and find this little code section down at the very bottom. Select this little code section and you're going to see not only a code right here, but it's also going to tell you to like and join the group to use codes. So now once you see that confirmation, go ahead and back out to the main Roblox page and scroll down just a little bit until you see the option to like the game. Go ahead and upvote it just like so. Then scroll down just a little bit further until you see the option for this little Discord icon. Select this Discord icon and then hit this little continue option, and it's going to redirect you onto Discord where you will need to go ahead and accept this invite and join as your account. You may need to verify yourself on that, so go ahead and do that, but once you're doing so, go ahead and scroll back up, get loaded back into Blue Lock Rivals, and from here, you'll be able to navigate down to that code section again at the bottom, select it, and type in whatever code you might need. You can type in this one right here, just make sure you type it in exactly how it is on screen, and once doing so, simply hit redeem. Now the best way to get codes is actually just by subscribing to this channel with all notifications on. We upload at least one video a week with brand new codes for not only Blue Lock Rivals, but a ton of other Roblox games as well. So if you want to stay up to date with the latest and greatest Roblox codes, and of course Blue Lock Rival codes as well, make sure to subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. That being said, that's going to wrap it up for this guide. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and remember to like and subscribe for even more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye-bye.